Amazon has announced its controversial Sidewalk network will be rolling out from June 8th, which will allow devices from other people's networks to join yours to help keep them connected. Why are they doing this, and should you opt out? The Sidewalk project was conceived to help support modern homes and overcome some of the weaknesses that exist when you rely on products to always be connected. The idea was that Amazon's Echo and Ring security devices could share a neighbour's network if their main network went offline or the product moves out of range. Examples include keeping motion sensors in your home reporting to you when your Wi-Fi is down, and allowing devices such as a smart light at the edge of your property to stay connected, boosting their reliability. In fact, Amazon have gone beyond that, saying you can now place lights and cameras in places that you know are out of the reach of your network. Great for selling more devices. Another potentially useful idea is for a pet tracking device, which will be able to report back the pet's location whilst they are off your property but close to someone else enrolled in the system. Whilst the functionality is undoubtedly there, it's how this happens that has caused some concern, and the fact that Amazon is opting anyone with one of its devices in the US into the new system by default. When it comes online, the Sidewalk network will essentially connect all Ring, Echo and Tile tracker devices to one another, both your own, your friends and neighbours and complete strangers. The devices will all start talking to each other using a low bandwidth, low power 900 MHz wireless connection. This will not pass as much data, but does have the benefit of being able to work across longer distances than Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. The devices with access to the internet will then pass this information back up to Amazon servers and onto their owners, or allow Amazon to push firmware back to the products that would otherwise be disconnected. In theory, this should only take a very small amount of bandwidth on your Wi-Fi network, but this will vary where you live. Living downtown in a densely populated city will be very different to living on a rural farm. The question remains over security. Although Amazon pledges that all data passing through the network is encrypted and secure, they do have a mixed history with privacy. For example, granting police widespread access to footage from Ring security cameras through their partnership projects, and the ease of hacking Ring cameras leading to a class action lawsuit. For those with concerns over the privacy of their data, Amazon has put out a white paper which is linked in the description. If you want to opt out before or after the network goes live on June 8th, there are instructions on how to do that too.